Hi foodies, welcome once again to Kitchen Flavors. Today we are making a 15-minute basilicum pasta recipe. So we start by adding some water into pot. We allow the water to boil. After boiling, we are going to add a generous amount of salt to the water. Then next we are going to add our pasta or spaghetti into boiling water. Then we allow our pasta to cook for at least 9 minutes. After our pasta is ready, we set aside, we take a dry pot, we add some oil into the pot. Then we add some garlics to it, some crushed garlics to the oil. Then we allow it fry for some few seconds. Next, we add some 4 chopped Romano tomatoes. We chop them into big, not so small slices. Then we add these Romano tomatoes into our oil with the garlics. We're going to stir everything together. Then we allow it cook for some few minutes until our tomatoes are gradually turning into a paste. Next, we are adding some reasonable amount of basilicum or basil or basilico. We add it to tomatoes. Then we cook. The flavor that is coming out of this pot, the basilicum give it a very nice flavor. So to eat now, we are adding our cooked pasta. Please don't always throw away the pasta water because you need it. You still need it to add it to eat. So we add our pasta. Then we give it a good mix. We give it a good mix. Next, we'll be adding a scoop of pasta water to our spaghetti. So we are adding a scoop of pasta water to it. Next, we add some seasoning powder. See how yummy it is looking. Then we stir everything, we mix together. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. And then you see our basilico pasta is almost ready. Look at how that color and how, oh my god. Hmm. Our basilico pasta is ready. We are going to serve it hot. Please don't forget to try this recipe. Leave us a comment in the comment section, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us. Bye bye. We love you. We see you in our next video. Peace.